Alright, I've got this light. It's actually, believe it or not, it's actually on. It's just really, really dim. Can you turn that? Have my wonderful assistant Leroy turn the lights off here, so you can see that the light is actually on, but it's so dim you can't see it when the lights are on. Can you go ahead and turn that back on? So what has happened here is, at some point this thing got broken, and it's just one section. This one section loops around the entire sign and then goes on to the next section. These things are built in sections. So the light section is next, and it's all, there's no breaks or cracks in it, and then it goes on to the open section. So what you can do, if you've got one of these, it just has one section. If it's real dim like that, what you can do is just jump across the section that's broken. Did I say that right? If you've got one of these things, the signs that's really dim, it's just got one broken section, you can just jump across the broken section, and the rest of the light then will come to life. You don't necessarily need to buy a new transformer. The transformer may be good, as in this case, as you'll see, the transformer is good. It's just that the power just can't jump across, can't get through because of that break in that one neon tube there. So I'm going to basically, for now, I'm just going to put a jumper from there to there, and just bypass that outside ring. So hold on just a minute. So the first thing you want to do, make sure you unplug it, because I don't know if you can see this back here, but that transformer is 7,500 watts. So I mean that could that could leave a mark, or maybe possibly even kill you if you're in the right circumstance. So make sure you unplug your sign. That's very important. And then I'm just going to take a jumper wire like this and just jump across these 2 points back there, and then turn it on and see what happens. So I've got a jumper wire. I don't know if you can see that. Just jumping across this outside section here, and then I've got it plugged in. So now I'm just going to pull the on switch here and see what happens. There you go. Now, if this was a nice sign, this sign's kind of boring. It's light and it's open. If it was something more than that, I probably would actually get the neon fixed. There's companies that you can send these neons, or take it to a company, and they will actually make a new piece of glass for that, make a new neon bulb for that. But what I think I'm going to do for this one, since it's not that fantastic of a sign, I've just got some of this red LED strip light. I'm gonna put around to kind of make it look like it originally did. Originally this was red around here, so I'm gonna kind of fake it here. This sign sits up on a shelf kind of high. You're not gonna be able to tell it where this thing sits, so I'm just going to use that for now, just to see what happens here. So I just attached the LED strip just right along the edge. It'd be nicer if that was if that was white. I mean, not white, if the white part was black, because it sort of looks a little cheesy in the light here, but I think when you turn it on, it will be fine. So we're going to try it here. Go ahead and put this part of it. Basically, it's got two sections now. So you got this part, and then there's the rest of it lit up. Now that's weird. In the camera, that looks white. It looks lighter. It's actually really dark red in person, but it looks pretty good. It actually looks like the original. It looks similar to the original. So I think for now I'm just going to go with that, and maybe at some point have the outer neon tube fixed. But for now, I don't really care about this that much. It's kind of a little bit of a boring sign. Light. It's a light. It's a light. And we're open. I wonder why that one section right there is sort of dim.
I did not know.
Huh. Weird. So anyway, this is going up on a shelf, and really nobody's going to even know the difference. I think it's going to be like 8 foot in the air, so it should be fine. Looks pretty good, actually. So there you go. That's actually one way you can fix a neon light.